Welcome to Bike Zone. Today, we dive into the future of air dominance, the new 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41, a sixth-generation stealth interceptor designed to redefine aerial warfare. Next-gen Russian power. The MiG-41, also known as the PAC-DP, is being developed by Mikoyan as the successor to the legendary MiG-31. This aircraft promises unmatched speed, stealth, and firepower, pushing Russia's air force into a new technological era. Hypersonic speed and performance. Built for the future battlefield, the MiG-41 is expected to reach speeds of Mach 4.3, making it one of the fastest fighter jets ever conceived. Its advanced propulsion system and lightweight composite materials will allow it to operate efficiently even in near-space altitudes. Stealth and advanced sensors. Equipped with next-generation stealth coating, eye-assisted radar systems, and infrared cloaking, the MiG-41 can detect and engage targets long before being spotted. It's designed to counter both hypersonic missiles and stealth aircraft, giving it a massive edge in modern warfare. Armament and technology. The MiG-41 is expected to carry laser weapons, long-range hypersonic missiles, and anti-satellite capabilities. With its powerful avionics and autonomous systems, it can operate both with a pilot or fully unmanned, offering incredible flexibility for missions. The future of air combat. With production anticipated around 2026, the MiG-41 could become a game-changer for Russia's air defense. If it performs as promised, it will be the world's fastest and most advanced interceptor, marking the beginning of a new era in air combat technology. Outro, Bike Zone. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41, the fighter jet of the future. Stay tuned to Bike Zone for more updates on next-gen machines and defense technology.